Gardening update on June 19th, 2018. I took my stevia plants and moved them out of the plastic container they were growing in, and it was a bit of a risk separating the roots, but I did that on Sunday with my daughter, and 2 days later they seem to be doing okay. One of them needs a little bit of support. It's kind of, I guess I put it on an angle, but like I said, they seem to be doing okay. And I did a little bit of pruning, and I already had my first harvest. Well, technically speaking. I think I'm growing spinach here. Spinach, for some reason, is not sprouting the way I mean, it's not sprouting. And over here I have a watermelon plant up at the top. I think the bugs kind of got to it because it was growing here. And one of them is a salvage small pea plant, which I think is dead, but it doesn't have roots. I have no idea what's going on here. I have tags, but I think the ink washed away. Still a little bit. I could probably figure out. I think that's a tomato plant. I think over here I've got parsley and spinach. I'm not sure if that's an actual seedling or if that's grass. I got some traps laid out. I just did this right now, so this is doing pretty good. Knock on wood. Gotta find wood. Hold on. And I just put up these tendrils or strings so the snow pea plants can climb up on it. And actually, some of them are already bearing fruit. This one on the right is bearing fruit. And I see some flowers on the others. It's a flower. I didn't see a flower. There's a bud there. There's another bud there. There's a bud here. They're more of more. But the goal is for them to go up on this string and climb on the other side. I'm feeling I might need a stronger string, as well as stronger wooden like stick or something, maybe a plank. I think I'm going to use this area for lettuce because it's going to give me better yield for the space versus something else. I pruned the rose bush because it was the tomato wasn't getting a lot of sun because of it. Plus, it's actually good for the rose, that the energy is not going to go in the leaves and is going to hopefully push out more flowers. I've got some lettuce seedlings in here, and this technique seems to be working because I think they're already beginning to sprout. It's only been 2 days. I thought it was going to take 3, 4, maybe 7 days. I don't see sprouts on this side yet, but that's lettuce. And these banana peppers, tomatoes. The squirrels trying to get away on my garlics. She kind of dug them out today, and I have to put them back. She was digging around here too, and I just watered it and leveled out again. The what's it called? Mint that I was kind of trying to root is now transplanted. 2 of them are doing okay. One of them has some dead leaves. I had another small harvest, like mini micro harvest from the onion patch in the front, which I'm not going to record right now. But one of them is left here. I have no idea what's going on in these containers. There's more lettuce here. Radish are coming along nicely, and the plants, sorry, the flowers are doing nicely as well. Nothing grew in that thing over there, the container did. So I might have to re-strategize it. I'm going to see when I'm going to transplant this lettuce into like a pot or something, because I think it's getting there. No roots as of yesterday when it comes to the bigger one. Roots on the smaller one, this potato, sweet potato, which I'm going to transplant in that bag most probably. Not sure what's going on here. Might have to throw it away. And more radish. got some parsley here. I'm looking forward to this one rooting. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but remaining hopeful and optimistic. That's my update for June 19th. Thanks. Oh, I stored some urine. I'm gonna pour urine on the plants. It's really good for them.